As you are watching this video, you must be willing to have Quadair drone reviews before ordering it. Well, lots of videos are already there around this topic. In this video, we will help you in getting an idea about people's thought about this Quadair drone. QuadairDrone.com is the website for having its order. They are offering it with a heavy discount of 60% off. And, if you are ordering 5 pieces of it, then you will get one in only $59.40. No doubt, drone in such a small price is too good to be true. But, as you are watching, people are not happy about this product quality and service offered by this website. Keep watching this video and you will have the idea of people's experiences of using this Quadair drone. Few reviewers have also mentioned it is a scam. They are counting it as simple drop shipping play of a Chinese product with poor quality. You might receive your order in 4 weeks or 3 months. But, you will not be happy with the purchase. You have seen lots of comments and few more are coming on your way, till the end of this video. Hopefully, these are enough to have a decent idea about this product.